What's up, Tryharder people? Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare an amazing turkey bolognese sauce. Alright, let's start with ingredients. We need 400 grams of lean ground turkey, a carrot, an onion, some olive oil or any vegetable oil, and of course a good bottle of smooth tomato sauce. First thing to do is to put a couple of teaspoons of olive oil into a frying pan and set the heat to medium-high. Now while the oil gets hot enough, we take care of the vegetables. Chop the carrot and the onion into small cubes. Pay attention to don't touch your eyes after the onion cuts or you're gonna end up crying like a little baby. I like very small pieces, but if you rather see some more orange in your sauce, you can always keep the carrots a little bigger than mine. When the pan is hot, throw your vegetables inside and mix them a little bit. Set the heat to medium-low and let them slowly get golden brown. Now it's time to put the ground turkey into the pan. Make sure to spread it out so it will absorb the flavor of your vegetables. Add a pinch of salt and let it roast for 4 to 5 minutes, mixing it up once in a while. When the turkey starts to get a little bit of color, you can proceed to add the tomato sauce to the mix. Here's an important step. Refill the empty tomato sauce bottle with warm water and put it into the pan. That's gonna help you to get a very tender meat at the end of this recipe. Now set the heat to low, cover your pan and let the sauce to cook for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can take off the lid, mix your sauce a little bit and let the excessive water evaporate. That's all about own taste. If you like more dense sauce, you can let it cook for another 60 minutes with no problems. About me, I really like my sauce to be at midway between smooth and dense. So I used to cook it 1 hour covered and around 20 minutes without the lid, until I get pretty much this result. Now I am from Italy, as you may know, so there is nothing better than fresh pasta to match this bolognese sauce. I mean, look at this and tell me that this is not the best marriage you have ever seen. I wish you could smell this amazing flavor. Oh well, got to eat this before it gets cold, right? You already know it. Subscribe, like and share. I'll catch you next Thursday with another recipe. Buon appetito!